They don't need to do it no more. It's okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a very special guest. This is one of my best friends, my brother. This is Braxton.
That's it. How y'all doing?
And so today we're gonna do a fun video. So basically we're gonna be trying a couple of the new trends that you might see on like TikTok and Instagram, but this is with food. So you can kind of tell them what we got.
Well, we have the new Lady Gaga Oreos.
Yes. And we also have the Mountain Dew Major Melon.
And I love Mountain Dew.
So we are going to test these products out. This is like a first impression. And so you guys will get to see like what we think of them, if it's worth buying or trying. So we are going to get straight into the video. So the first one that we're going to try is the Oreos. He is a big Oreo fan. Yes. I hate Oreos. It's not my favorite cookie at all. But
and they're green and pink. Like,
right.
AKA those.
I was gonna say that. AKA cookies. So we are going to try them for the first time. We have not opened them. All right, so.
Pretty too.
Very, very pretty. So this is what they look like. Pink and green.
See what they taste like.
All right. So on the cookie, it's got like the regular Oreo print, and on the back.
It's a heart on the back.
On yours?
Yep.
Oh, so they have different
yeah.
things.
Oh wow. Yeah.
So he's got a heart on the back of his, and on the back of mine, I guess it's like a Lady Gaga emblem.
Performing?
Yeah.
That's what it looked like.
And then on the inside is green cream. Hey, they smell like Play-Doh.
Right. Right. You ready?
I'm ready.
See.
What do you think?
They're pretty good. It tastes the same. Like a little, like doughy.
It tastes like dough. It doesn't taste like a normal Oreo cookie.
It's like doughy. Like.
It's not bad. It almost tastes like a shortbread cookie.
Right. That's what it tastes like. Shortbread.
Now, I will say this. The dye in the cream, I can taste that.
Right.
I'm not a fan of that at all.
Like gritty on your teeth.
But the cookie part, I like the cookie part.
It's pretty
So, me being me, I would probably scrape the cream off and just eat the cookie part. I don't know. So what do you think? Should they try it or not?
I'll try it.
You would try it?
Yeah. Cause you know I'm an Oreo fan. I like it.
I would say if you are into trying new things, then absolutely you should give it a shot. But
do it with your friends, so you won't be wasting a whole pack of cookies.
True, because I'm probably gonna send the rest of these home with him. Because I would say don't waste your money, but you know, it is what it is.
Right.
But yeah, so all right, so we are going to move on to the next item. So I am a huge soda drinker. If I don't drink anything else, I'll drink soda.
And I'm a huge Mountain Dew drinker. So this is like a first for me because I'm usually drinking like the regular kind. And so like this is something new.
I hate Mountain Dew. I know I might seem like a picky eater, but like out of all the sodas, Mountain Dew is not the one that I go for first. So this one is the Major Melon Mountain Dew. It's supposed to taste like watermelon. But I don't know. It says it's charged with watermelon.
Flavors with other natural flavors.
Right.
Mm.
Right.
230 calories.
Serving size 1 bottle.
Right.
All right, so we're gonna try this. We'll see if I like it since I'm a soda drinker.
Right.
We'll see.
Ready? That's not bad.
Bitch.
I like it.
This shit tastes like pedicure water.
Listen, it is not that bad.
This shit nasty.
I like it.
Oh my gosh.
She picky.
Uh-uh.
As she sips. No? Is it too much melon?
Now you gonna take these home too?
Do you think it's too much melon in it?
I
Because I don't taste the Mountain Dew. I
don't taste the Mountain Dew at all. I taste.
And it's like, I don't like.
It tastes like somebody spit in this bottle of sugar.
Listen, it is not that bad.
It's nasty. I don't like it. So this is definitely, if you was thinking about trying this, no bueno.
But melon drinkers probably would like it. The melon drinkers men like. What she said it tastes like?
It tastes like pedicure water. I don't know what pedicure water tastes like, but I don't know. So no, it's a no for me. It's a no for me. Damn, I seem so picky. Let me go back to my little cookie.
Together.
No. I like the cookies more than I like the soda.
Right. Yeah.
I will say that. I like the cookies more than I like the soda. Now, if I had to say between the two,
it'd be the cookies.
It would be the cookies.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Most
hands down. Cookies. I think with the Mountain Dew, to me it tastes flat.
Yeah.
It doesn't
taste. They didn't give you that.
Yeah, like none of that. It tastes flat. I can taste a little bit of melon, but it also tastes watered down a lot. So
and it also tastes like they're trying to do that Mountain Dew thing.
They don't need to do it no more. So that's basically it. Like,
yes.
I couldn't think of anything else that I really wanted to try outside of these because everybody's been talking about it. And I follow a lot of pages from I think it's the Sugar Mart. I don't know. Correct me if I'm saying it wrong. I don't know. But anyway.
Cookies.
Definitely the cookies. So that is all that we have for you guys. This is very, very short. But if you were thinking about trying anything, go for the Oreos.
Yes.
I'm not a fan of the Dew.
Oreos.
Definitely the Oreos.
Not the Dew.
All right, so that is it, you guys. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to do more of these try it videos and incorporate it with my friends, so you guys can get to know me
and the friends.
Absolutely. And if you want to follow me on all social media, it's Keyshante Chantel, and yours is
on which site?
Well, damn it.
Well, I am QBraxton82 on Instagram and CootieCoo1982 on Snapchat.
All right, so I will list all of our social medias below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.
Bye.
Bye.